Hello everyone. So the question is given as let x be a discrete random variable with support s is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to 25 and probability x is equal to x is given as 25 choose x into 1 by 2 to the power 25 for all x belongs to the support. Then which of the following statements here are true? At first what is given is, yeah. It is given that probability x is equal to x is 25 choose x 1 by 2 to the power 25, sorry, 2 to the power 25 for all x, that is from 0, 1 up to 25. So here what we get is this x is, this follows a binomial distribution where it is n given as 25 and the p given as half, right? X follows binomial np where n is 25 and p is half. So from here what we get is, we check the first option given, the distribution of x minus 12.5 and 12.5 minus x are identical. Okay, let us find out the binomial with probability p is equal to half is symmetric about its mean. Symmetric about its mean mu, that is 12.5. Okay. Now here probability x is equal to 12.5 plus k is equal to probability x is equal to 12.5 minus k. Yeah. For integer k. Now hence the distribution of x minus 12.5 is identical to the distribution of 12.5 minus x. So here the first statement is true. Then moving to the second statement, it is given probability x less than equal to 4 is equal to probability greater than equal to 22. Okay, by symmetry we can say for statement 2. Okay, so by symmetry we can say that probability x less than equal to 4 is equal to probability x greater than equal to 21 minus probability x equal to 21, correct? So they are absolutely not equal. Now, probability x is equal to x is equal to probability x is greater than equal to 21. Yeah. But probability x greater than or equal to 21, okay, this can be written as, summation x is equal to from 0 to 4, x is equal to x, that is equal to summation x 21 to 25 probability x is equal to x, right? That is probability x greater than or equal to 21. This is the whole state. But here what we get is probability x greater than 22 greater than or equal to 22 can be written as probability x greater than or equal to 21 minus probability x equal to 21. So from here we get these two are not equal, right? These two are not equal. So from here we get that statement 2 is false. Now, the third statement is coefficient of variation of x is 20 in percentage. Okay. That is statement 3. So checking statement 3, it is given that suppose at first mean, that is, okay, the statement 3, now statement 4 is mean. Statement 3 is coefficient of variation of x. Okay. Now for the third one, what we do is the mean, that is mu is equal to NP, right? For binomial, it is NP, that is 25. N was given and P was given as half. So this is 12.5. Now the variance, that is sigma square, is now NP into 1 minus P. This is 25 half into half, that is 6.25. Now we get sigma as 2.5. From here we get the coefficient of variation in percentage, that is was given sigma by mu into 100. So this is sigma by mu into 100 and we know the value of sigma is 2.5. We know the value of mu as 12.5 into 100. Now the value of this is 20%. So this is 20% of the value. Now the statement was given as 20. So by this we can say that this statement is true. Now moving to the last one, that is probability x less than equal to 4.9 is equal to probability x greater than or equal to 20.1. Again, here we check the symmetry for statement 4. Statement 4. Now moving to the fourth one, it is given x is integer value. Now from here we get x less than or equal to 4.9 is equal to probability x less than or equal to 4. So probability x greater than or equal to 20.1 is equal to probability x greater than or equal to 21. Correct? As x is integer value here, this will be equal to this. We don't take here decimal values. Now for symmetry, probability x less than or equal to 4 is equal to probability x greater than or equal to 21. So from here we can say, using this statement and this statement, we can say that probability x less than equal to 4.9 is equal to probability x greater than or equal to 20.1. So by this we can say statement 4 is true. So we got the correct options as 1, 3 and 4.